Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. I just wanted to come out here and talk about deer resistance of different varieties of willow. I haven't commented on this before because our main willow bed, or our old willow bed, is inside fencing. This is our new willow bed. We've got about 9,000 cuttings in the ground out here, and I wanted to show you this. This is Whissender. It's a Salix triandra. It's a little difficult to see here, but the deer come out and they browse and they're nibbling on this. And one way I can tell they walk through here is their hooves have punched through the weed fabric that we have down here. And this is Black Maul, and it is also a Salix triandra. And I suspect that the deer have been eating on this too, mostly because if you compare it to the Salix triandra or the Black Maul we have inside the fence line, that is growing very clean. But here you can see where the deer have eaten this, and they haven't gotten to this yet, but I'm sure they will. But what's interesting is if we pan to the left, this is Oka willow. This is a Salix purpurea, and it is clean, and they haven't even touched this. So in conclusion, I think Salix triandras, Black Maul, Noir de Villaine, Whissender are not deer resistant. Deer do like to eat it and they will come back. But Salix purpurea, like here we have Oka, and here we have another Salix purpurea Eugene, and it is also untouched. So that's what I've learned about deer resistance on different varieties. Thanks to all, and have a great week.